but there's a bus. I'm going the wrong way. On a one-way street. Ladies, gentlemen. Oh, hi. Hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. I am a vlogging machine. I am a vlogging machine slash fiend. Both. But we are popping off from Manhattan into Queens. Just fucking chilling like a villain. Vlog number 10 today or whatever. I don't know. Update. Who knows? I'm very much excited because I'm getting to ride. I'm not excited because of the quarantine or because of the virus, people dying. Not excited about that, but I am excited that it's empty and beautiful, and I get to cruise. You know what I mean? I can't ask for more. I can't really ask for more. And I mean, there's plenty more I could ask for. You know, don't get me wrong. But this is awesome. Silver Cup Studios, Long Island City. And I'm about to just pop off real quick. And I do need gas. I will get gas. Gas, ass, or grass. Nobody rides for free. Just like so. Queens Bridge, Queens trains. Freaking monster. This is a monster. A monster. Where are we? Jackson Ave, next right? Sure, whatever. All these new houses here. All this beautiful stuff. Empty. Everything is empty. All empty, empty, empty. Queens Boulevard. Oh, look, it's cool little balconies. Cars right there. That's weird. Imagine you have a car outside like that. Awkward. Not exactly sure what's going on here, but we'll just pull up a little bit, just like that. I don't think anybody will be too upset. In fact, I think I'll just pull up all the way to the front. Look at this. Screw the hippies. You know what I mean? Screw the hippies. Give me the green sugar, and we're gonna go. How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? First of all, how are you feeling about this whole quarantine? How's your area? How's your place? I haven't ridden in so long. This feels incredible. This feels like such a fun time. Skillman Ave. Interesting. So we're gonna take a right and go this way. Bam bam. No need to speed. There's Popo here, obviously. They would not be impressed with this, with my behavior. Ooh, I should go to the right. Let's explore a little bit. There's no need for me to be like rushing on home or whatever. We could get around a bit, see what's what. Hello. Do we want to go that way? No, I feel like it's going to confuse everything. We're going to go straight. Ooh, the bike feels good. The bike does feel good indeed. I must admit, I must so say, the bike feels good. I don't know what's going down that way. We could check it out. Should we check it out? Yeah, let's check it out. Let's see some weird sketchy shit. You know, we might come across some who knows? I don't know what. Probably nothing. But that's the street I need. I'll just go to that street over there. Same thing, different day. Exploring Queens in my pants. Gonna go that way, for sure. What the hell is going on? Where the fuck am I going? Nobody knows, nobody knows. What is going on here? What is this street? Never been here before, tell you that much. But there's a bus. I'm going the wrong way. On a one-way street. Yeah, about that. About that. About that. We're just gonna move on from that. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. We'll ignore that whole little loop for no reason, right? What was that about? Nobody knows. But we are gonna go to Williamsburg now, because I do have to take care of something. I have to go water some plants, if you know what I mean. And if you don't, that's also okay. That's also okay. There we go. God, could use some gas for sure. Could use some gas for sure. Boom. So, which way are we going? No idea. To the right. Yeah, we're going to the right, of course. Of course we're going to the right. Where else? And I think I'm gonna grab a little gasoline, because why the hell not? It is an important commodity in this day and age. You know what I mean? Or maybe I should ride around some more. Probably a combination of both. Oh, I'm so silly. I don't know, I can't figure it out. I'm so anxious. Like, whenever I'm riding, I want to go home. Whenever I'm not, I want to go riding, and that Range Rover is behind me. I do have a gas station right there. Could technically just fill up right now, but it's okay. We don't need it. Not yet. Not yet. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Now we're gonna go to Greenpoint again, and Williamsburg, and all of that good stuff. All that good stuff. Nice bike, bro. Come on, you're gonna make me stop. Jeez, you just had to make me stop, didn't ya? Didn't ya? Look at all these fucking people. And this is a garbage plant. This is where they burn trash and poop and pee, from what I understand. Might be wrong, but from what I understand, that is exactly what's going on there. It's beautiful. Brooklyn. We're back in Brooklyn now, you know. Good old Brooklyn. Good old gnarly Brooklyn. Boop. Boop. You guys going straight? Possibly. Good. Kimchi market. Oh, it smells like fried food here. Fried food does smell good, gotta admit. This is a little Polish area, little Poland, if you will, you know. Greenpoint. I do want to get ahead of all these people, you know. I am not a huge fan of this bullshit, but what are you gonna do? What's up, man? What the fuck you want me to do, bro? Sweet bananas. Sweet, sweet bananas. Is this our turn? Yep, because the other one is a one-way street. The wrong way. Not sure what he's doing, so I'll just pull up. And that's Pauly G's right up there. And that Brewery Lane, that's like my favorite beer store. Come on there, champ. Holy potatoes. Hello. Saying hello to everybody today. Pizzeria. Pizzeria is still open. How about that? Pauly G's slices. That's adorable. Williamsburg, where life doesn't stop. Where life doesn't stop for anyone or anything. Look at these fucking people everywhere. Everywhere. What is happening? No wonder Williamsburg is like epicenter of this bullshit. I am adding to it, obviously, but fucking hell. Do. Photography, W Hotel. Oh my god, OMG. I'm gonna get ahead of you, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be upsetting. Oh, look at that, that's a dope shot. Ultra wide, iPhone 11, that's cool. Beautiful. Cool fucking wall here. Nice and empty. No updates. Go ahead, bro. You got this. You're welcome. You are welcome. Da 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 da. Thanks for coming with me all the way from Queens to Williamsburg. Somebody's smoking some freaking weeds over there. Those guys were sketchy. That's funny. You can tell when people are smoking weed because they're like looking around like fucking hooligans. Alright, anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? This was a good time. How is this road closed? I live here. It's not closed because I can park here. I probably should park. Is it okay if I park over here? Yeah. All right.